So you want to learn how to predict resistance breaks, how to get in on these trades like TEAR here. I'm going to show you exactly where to get in, where to take profit, how to read the chart, how to figure out when the possible move is coming. I'm going to do it all live in this video, showing you the exact areas to watch and everything you need to learn how to day trade your small account and become consistently profitable day trading these resistance breaks. Watch the video, stay tuned. Look here at TEAR, talking about how to anticipate a resistance break. How can you watch level 2 time and sales, watch the chart and see if you're going to get that resistance break? When's a good entry here? Looking here at TEAR, I got this previous resistance there at the 344 area. 350 is going to be obvious mental resistance as well. So we're watching here closely, seeing if we can get that action, see if we can get the price to go above 350 for that spike up to the probably 379 area. Looking here at the daily chart, this would be the next resistance there at 379. So if we get that spike above 350, probably get a quick jump up above 360. Watching this 344 area closely, watching level 2 here, watching the buyer stepping up. We want to see a lot of buyers going on over here on the bid, and we want to see these sellers over here on the ask getting eaten out. Big seller there stepping up there at 344, trying to keep it down. So we're watching that 344 seller to see what happens with that 344 seller. Got decent support right now there at 340. Got a little dip. We dipped down here to the 331 area, so we're looking for that move higher here. Got this trend right now going on. We're going to get tight here on this resistance. So we need to see a pop above the 344 area to keep this trend going higher here. So we got this move here from the $3 area up to 348 there. You can see increasing volume really through this whole thing here above 310. Increasing volume, big spike in volume there. Got it above that resistance, but it could not go higher. So volume decreasing on that pullback, doing some consolidation there. Now we're going to look to see if volume is going to increase through this move for that move higher. 339 seller stepping up there. They're trying to crash this down, trying to hold it there below that 340 area. They know if this gets above 350, it's going to get nasty quick. So they're watching it closely here. It's a battle right now at this area. 335 needs to hold. If 335 can't hold, probably gonna get a pullback. If this 335 breaks, probably gonna get a pullback down here to the 328 area. So there it is, 335 cracked. It's pulling back 328 now, just like I said. Pull back to that moving average there at the 20. So you can see here TEAR had that previous resistance there at the 344 area. Could not get through there. Had a little bit of a spike, but still the sellers were able to crash it down. They kept selling into it there. They knew they could keep that resistance there strong. Once it couldn't jump back up there above 344, you get this pullback, and there it is, 320 pulling back. Now the low at 322, expecting this to get down to that 315 area if it can't hold here. So might get a bit of a bounce here at the 323 area. You can see it had some previous support there at 322, 323. So we're getting a little bit of a bounce there. Resistance from earlier. So you're right in this channel right now. So we either going to go higher, breaking out of this channel, or we're going to drop down lower. Got to get above. There it is. So we're breaking through that 335 area now. This needs to hold 335 again and start to move higher to really be a good breakout. Double top here at 344. So really this is the deciding factor. Can it get above that 345 area? Watching it here, holding that support there. We're going to pull this up here. 322 is support for now. This 335 area, 344 obvious resistance area. So we want to see if this can move up higher here. It's holding this channel right now. So we got a double bottom there at 322, double top here at the 345 area. So it can go either way here. We can get that big explosion up, or we can get that crash down, or maybe we just go sideways. So volume is just being consistent here. So it's got consistent volume, consolidating here. The shorts are getting worried. The shorts are worried. A lot of 345s printing there on the, look at all those 345s printing. It wants to go here, guys. It wants to get above this resistance. So there we go. Up above the 350 area now, up to 355. Not getting filled there, but just breaking this trade down. You can see how that worked out. It got above that 346 area, exploded up there. Now up to 356 there on the bid, 358 on the ask. Look at the volume spike there, guys. That's what it's all about. 247,000 shares traded there. It exploded up through that resistance, up there to 358 now. Looking to see if we can get above that 360 area here. Remember, we got that previous resistance there on the daily chart there at 379. Having some trouble there at the 358 area. Getting a bit extended, might get a pullback here. When I mean it's extended, you can see just big jump here from 340 up to 358. So 18-cent jump there in a matter of seconds there. So there it is, 360 up to 360 now. See if you get that break. See the sellers there at 360 getting eaten out. There we go, 362 now. Watching the level 2 here. So at a high there at 363 now. That's exactly what I was looking for. I was screwing around, missed out on the fill there, wasn't really paying attention. It exploded so fast. I thought we might get some more resistance there before getting through that 350 area, but now it's up there to 363. Seller sitting there. Let's see if we can get a new high of day here. Watching level 2, watching the time and sales. There's new high of day 364. Nope, might be at the top there for a little bit. Getting a bit extended there. 360 seller stepping up there. The reason that this explodes, oh, look at that drop. This is what you got to be careful with. Like I said, this was really extended. Made a move from 340 to 358 in a matter of seconds there. So it was extended. AR was a bit extended. We got that pullback to the 346 area. It bounced 346 a couple times. Built some support here at 353. Now we get this explosion up here to 368. So we're on track to get to that 379 area. It wants to get to that 379. Shorts are worried here. Probably see explosion here if it gets above 365 again. Big buyer there at 364. Moving it higher here, holding it up. So there we are, back up there, 369, 368. Watching this 369 seller. Looks like he's gone now. Nope, he's back up there. Moving higher, getting this 370 area. See if we can't get above 370 here. And there we go. High of day now. 370 there on TEAR. Holding that holding there. Trying to get above that 370. See the seller there at 370, holding it down. See if we can't get a spike here. Got buyers there buying 370 up. And 370 breaking there. 371 now. High of day 372. Going to be interesting to see how this reacts there at the 379 area. Previous resistance there on the daily chart. So 375 resistance kicking in there, pulling it down to the 360 area. Amazing move here on TEAR. Just like I talked about, getting there above 350. It jumped up there above 360. It got extended. It pulled back to 346 support and then made this big move up here to 375. So beautiful move there on TEAR. Hopefully this video helps you identify trades like this. Hopefully this video helps you identify resistance breaks, how to trade these resistance movers, how to trade these big volume movers. Got 15 million shares traded. We want to see a lot of volume on these stocks that we're trading. We don't want to just buy stocks that have no volume. We want to buy stocks that have volume. We want to buy stocks that have news. We want to buy stocks that have momentum. That's what it's all about. Momentum day trading. We're not just trading any stocks. We're trading momentum. This 323 area held twice. Had a double top there. So we're looking to see what happened there. If we had a triple top, probably would have got a nice crash. But it broke through there. It squeezed higher. Got up there to 362. Pulled back. Moved to 375. So beautiful move there on TEAR. Hopefully this video helps you guys. I'm trying to explain how I use level 2, how I'm using time and sales, and then how I'm watching the chart, watching the resistance areas. 379 resistance there on the daily chart. You can see there we got a double top there at 375, getting a bit of a pullback now. We'll see if this wants to head higher later. But right now, just breaking this move down so you guys understand a little bit better how to trade these resistance areas, how to capitalize on momentum and the volume there and take profit when you have it. Bulls and bears make money in the market, but pigs get slaughtered, because that's what's happening right now. The guy who chased this, the guy who bought this at 375 area, he's selling now at 350 and he's not very happy about it. So now you understand why we buy the resistance areas, why we buy the support and all that fun stuff.